Pain is not a punishment, but a teacher. It reveals the depth of our strength and the height of our compassion. To feel pain is to be reminded that we are alive and that we are capable of healing not just ourselves, but others too. The noblest hearts are not those that avoid pain, but those that endure it without losing kindness. Pain carves the soul, not to break it, but to shape it into something more patient, more just, and more true. Those who have suffered deeply often walk the world more gently. Pain refines, it does not define. Pain is not the enemy, indifference is. To hurt is to care, and to care is to live with purpose. Through pain, we are stripped of illusion and introduced to truth, sometimes bitter, but always real. The scars we carry are not signs of weakness, but of battles survived and lessons earned. When pain knocks, do not close the door, invite it in, learn its name, and let it pass through you, not over you. Enduring pain with grace is not surrender, it is the highest form of courage. Pain teaches what comfort never could: the value of peace, the strength in silence, and the beauty of resilience. The heart that has suffered often becomes the safest place for others to rest. Do not fear the pain that comes with doing what is right, fear the comfort that comes with doing what is wrong. Behind every act of kindness is someone who once felt the sting of unkindness and chose differently. Pain humbles the proud, awakens the numb, and softens the hard. It is the price we pay for becoming fully human.